Hello YouTube friends, I'm back out here fishing, 12-foot flat bottom. Fishing partner with me, battery trolling motor. Turn the motor on here, we're gonna get going a little bit. That's speed 1, speed 2. It go pretty fast on speed 5. We're at Pancer Creek Park, Pancer Creek Boat Ramp, Morristown, Tennessee on Cherokee Lake. Hope we catch a fish, but right now I'm just testing the boat out. I've got plenty of fishing tackle. Got some night crawlers. Speed 5. That's speed 5. Moves pretty good. Please subscribe to my channel. Catch a fish, I'll be back. Y'all have a good day.